Hello guys, so in the previous lecture we have learned how to create database, then how to use the database, how to create table, how to add that table columns, how to select the types of that table column, how to view the length of that table column. Then we'll learn that select command, then we have also learned describe. How describe it will tell the values, types and other extra tables. Once again we are going to give you a run and we will going to get that what describe gives you, it gives you field type, then it will show null values, key values, default values, extra values. Okay. Then we have learned how to insert the values from in the table. Similarly, I will add here so many values, insert 16. I will give here and when I will run, automatically my another value will be added in table. I will run once again, and when I will going to see that table, we will going to see here. We have added in column 1 some integer values, in column 2 we have added varchar values. Okay, so you can also add here some numbers like that, and when I will run that, right, and when I will going to run that once again, we will going to get that. Yes, in varchar you can add anything, and suppose if I want to add extra column in that table, you have just a simple command, that's the data manipulation language function, and it's alter. You just need to write alter table, then give table name, and just right here add column and give here columns name. And right here column three, and just give it semicolon and just write. So what it's showing? It's showing syntax error. Mm, and in that column 3 you need to also specify values. Okay, column 3, and you should write here int. You should write here in name. Yes, I have written column name. You need to specify here tab int. You should give here, yeah, yes, and done. Okay, now when I will going to that select star from T, you will going to get that here column 3 has been added. But in the column 3 I have not added anything, so that's why it's showing null values. Okay, so now in the next time I will use some command insert T values, and I will write the values of column 3. First column is integer type, second column is character type. I will write here something. Third column is also integer type. We should complete that bracket and give here semicolon and just run. 0 rows affected, and once again I'm going to write here descriptive. Automatically you're going to say in the column 6 that name has been added and 65 value has been added. So we are learning now here data manipulation language. So what it's manipulate the table means here we can add values. Okay, here you can insert values, you can do means manipulation functions, you can here drop tables or columns, you can truncate columns, you can delete columns. So now we are going to see one by one. Suppose I want to drop column 1 from table 1, so you have just need to write here alter table, alter table t, and you should write here drop, and you should write here the which column you want to drop, column 1. Okay, give simple and run. Now we will going to see when I'm going to run that command describe star from t, automatically our column has been deleted. I will write simple select star from t. You will going to see column 1 has been deleted. So what drop command will do? Drop command actually automatically it will delete the tables, also it will delete the columns, also it will going to delete the rows. And in the drop command, everything will be deleted. Okay, so it will not going to leave behind anything structure or anything. So that's drop command. Now we are going to see delete command. Okay, I will write here in the drop. For to give comment, you need to give a double mm, that dash, and after that it will not going to execute the program. And I will write here drop we drop everything everything from the table, and it's the irreversible process. Okay, now we are going to see again, once again we are going to add column. Instead of column 3 we are going to add column 4. I will run that command, and here now our sequence has been changed because okay, okay, I will create my sequence as it is. I will write here some number, and I will going to create that column once again. Okay, add column. We are going to now. Sorry, I will do here something. So what happened here? Here should be space. Here should be comma. Okay, through the drop command, I am also going to show you how to drop command table drop will. Uh, if I write here drop table T, then automatically it will go into erase our table T. Okay. Now we are going to see here our table T has been presented here. Now I am going to use drop table T command, and I will run. We are going to see our table has been automatically dropped, and when I will run that function select star from T, then we are going to get that table 8 doesn't exist. Okay. So you learn. Now once again we are going to create table. So I will write here create table T, and I am also going to add some columns in that. Okay, and I am also going to run that command. Now we will going to describe that table. You are going to get that our table has been created in that way. Now I am going to use your will say how to use the delete command. So in the delete command, you are going to see the difference. In the drop, you drop everything means columns, its structure has been deleted. But in the delete function, it will not going to delete everything. It will going to delete or erase all those data, but column structure will remain the same. Okay. Uh, I will going to run that twice again. Once again means you will going to get all those. So you will going to say that we have run means we have inserted values that value 3 times. So that's why it's showing 3 values. Okay. So I'm going to show you how delete will go. So the delete is a manipulation language. So you need to uh, use delete from table T. It's a table name, and I will write column name col 1, and you just need to write here control enter delete from table T. Sorry, I have given here wrong one. Delete call 1 from table T. That should be correct. You should here also write the column name. Delete column. Still it's showing a error. Delete column. Instead of that, I'm going to use that simple as it is. Mm, I will going to write this. Delete delete. I will just write column. Delete column. Column. I think out there was not column one. Okay, that's why it's showing error. Actually, there are yes, there is a column one. Delete column. Delete column. Once again, you need to do here. Delete call one. I'm not currently in multi-delete. So automatically our column has been deleted in initial level. That's why it was not showing. But now what happens? Whenever you are going to repeat that one, it will going to show you a error because we cannot do like that one. So you need to write your commit is equal to 0. You need to write here set commit is equal to 0. Then you need to write here you have just need to use here. If suppose you want to delete table directly, you should delete t. It will want to delete table. Delete table t. Okay. So here some error has been happening. In the delete we are going to say some about that. Before that we have learned on this. So we are going to see on the net how that delete will be going to work. We will get to proper syntax. So you need to delete from table. Oh, and where condition. Okay. Remember here for the delete you should use the where condition, otherwise it will not going to delete. So I will write here. We are going to once again going to see what two elements are in our table T. Okay. We are going to use delete from table T. Here we should give condition where all one is equal to 65. And now it will going to show you here your SIP mode and you are trained. So to delete table in from the SIP mode, you have need to write here set my SQL save set my SQL save update is equal to 0. And you don't need to run that one. Should have updates here should update right. So here is something that set my SQL save update is equal to 0. We are not to see that formula. So here we are going to see some delete syntax delete from table name. You should give a suppose when deleting a represent table, notice the where clause in the delete statement. The where clause specifies which record should be deleted. If you want to the clause or represent table will be deleted. Okay. So delete from customer here customer name is equal to then delete record. So you just need to write delete from table name. Otherwise, you should write delete from customers. Okay, we are going to see here update that you should write set MySQL data updated is equal to true. You are going to get the correct syntax. So before using delete command, you need to use that syntax, and that will going to open here next to it, and you should use that syntax here. SQL save update is equal to set SQL save update is equal to 0. Okay. Now when I will going to use that delete command, 3 rows has been affected, and now when I will going to show you, you are going to get that all those rows has been deleted because we have applied command that uh, delete from t where column 1 is equal to 65. You know, in the initial we have created column 1 is equal to 65. 3 times we have run that, and we have given here condition here column is equal to 65. So it has been deleted all the list. I hope you understand that very well. Suppose if I want to delete all the structure from table, before that I am once again we are going to do add values in the column, our column. Okay, so I'm going to give here some function. I'm going to run that statement again and again. 2 times I have run that statements. Now 2 values has been added in table. You will going to see. Now I'm going to delete clear all the data from my table. So you need to use command delete from t, and you have just need to run. Okay, we have run that command, and when I'm going to describe table t, start from t, I will run. Then it will going to erase it. It has been erased all those data, but it has not erased the column names. So what delete will do, delete will going to erase all those records, but it will not going to drop columns. But in the drop function, what it will do, it will going to drop all those columns and data also. Same for the truncate function also. Truncate will also going to erase data, but not it will going to delete the structure. But in the delete, what we can do actually, in the delete we can also get, suppose if we have applied delete command, and whenever you will going to run that previous one, then automatically your data will be restored, but it will not happen in the truncate. So that's for today. We have learned today data manipulation language. In that we have created alter, we have altered table, we have added column, then we have deleted some data in table, we have then dropped the table and table column, we have dropped the table data and also whole table. Also we'll learn about the truncate command. Okay, so that's about the DML or data manipulation language. Thank you. I hope you understand. If you have any question or queries, please ask in the comment. Thank you.